How to delete Google Docs files. So guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete the Google Docs file. You can delete a single Google Docs file, or you can delete the all documents at once. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the ways. So let's start with the video guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, or don't forget to subscribe my channel and do comments below. So let's start with the video guys. Okay guys, here I'm on my Google Docs application. So I'm going to show you the from initial. So first we need to log in with our email ID. Now we need to go in Google Docs. Okay, here you can see your all documents. From here you can delete one by one if you want. It will be moved to the trash. Okay, so you can delete one by one from here. And if you want to delete in bulk, or if you want to delete the multiple Google Docs file at once, we need to in Google Drive. Okay, so just log in with the same email ID, and now we need to go in Google Drive. So as Google Drive basically is a storage facility from Google, and it is for all your Google documents. Like if you're creating Google Sheet, Google Documents, Google Slide, or Google Form, that all file are saves in Google Docs only. Okay, so they have different applications like Google Docs, Google Sheet, and here you can see all your documents which is linked to Google Drive. Okay, so basically in your root file you can find in Google Drive only. Okay, so here you can see, you can find your Google Docs, Google Sheet. If you click on Google Sheet, you can find your all Google Sheet here. Okay, so now we are here to Google Docs. So first we go to the Google Drive, and now we need to search for Google Docs only, or you can simply type type colon documents, then all documents will be visible like this. Okay, now you can delete from here also. Just right click on it and you can move to the trash. It will be moved to the trash, and here you can delete permanently from here. Okay, so let me go again in documents. Okay, so here you can see the all documents I have. So if you want to delete multiple, just click control and hold it, and you can select multiple file like this, and you can delete from here. Same, after deletion it will be moved to the trash, and from there you need to delete from there. Okay, and if you want to delete multiple like this, just select anyone, just hit the shift button. Now you need to click on down arrow. You can see all the file has been selected. Now you can delete from here. Just click on delete, it will be moved to the trash. And if you want to delete all files at once, then select any files here. Now we need to hit the control button plus A, then it will be select all documents on your drive. And now I have 47 documents which is selected. Now I can delete from here. After delete, it will be moved to the trash like this. From here you can delete, it will be permanently delete, it won't be undo. Okay, and if you don't delete from here, it will be delete after 30 days automatically as per Google Drive rules. Okay, so that is how you can delete the Google Drive documents, single or all file at once. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.